Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. This is Mask Monday, and I'm doing a collab with Kim's A Little of a Lot. So she and I are both going to do Mask Monday together, and you have to be subscribed to both of us. We're going to give away some sheet masks. But what we're going to use on our face right now is from the Creme Shop. I had gotten a pack of 3 of these, so I sent one to Kim, and this is it's a llama, brighten up skin, animated llama face mask. So let's get that rolling, and it says to leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. And then we have some Halloween questions. I just threw some together. I hope that, I don't know. We'll see we'll see if you like them. Just something fun. This is already pretty, I can see. A lot of times these smell real nice. They're usually not a strong scent, which is what you like. I mean, for me, I don't like a lot of strong on my face. So, and I've never tried the llama before. I've tried many of the Creme Shop masks. Well, when I say that, I don't think I've ever had the llama before. But I had a few to pick from that I got at TJ Maxx. And Kim liked the llama, so that's why we're going with it. And okay, here it is. Look how cute that is, y'all. Let's see how it's gonna look on. I did wear my, since it's Halloween time, I wore my cat ears, my black cat ears, and my black cat t-shirt. Ooh, y'all, that went right in. Ugh. That went, ugh. Y'all, that went right in my mouth. Ooh. It doesn't taste good. It may smell good, but it doesn't taste good. It's thick. The serum that's on here is thick. It feels like, what was I gonna say? Like glycerin. That is what, ooh, it does not taste good. So I got that in my mouth. Anyway, it says, okay, it's just, your typical lovely Creme Shop mask. Okay. So I have a few masks for you for a giveaway, and I'm going to do a couple of questions, like I said. And let me tell you a little bit about Kim. It's Kim's A Little of a Lot, and she's been around for a few months now. She has a nice little channel. I really like her. She's a lovely girl. I shouldn't call her a girl. She's a woman. She's young. I think she's young. I don't even know, but she appears young. She's just lovely. Lovely, lovely young lady. Let's put it that way. Even if she's not young, she appears young to me. So take that as a compliment, Kim. And because I'm old. So anyway, but she's just a sweet, sweet lady. How I initially met her was she was a subscriber at first, and I think when she first found me, she had just started her channel. But I don't know that she really so much started her channel as was just posting videos of her cats. Her boyfriend, I think it was her boyfriend's cat, had babies. I think it was her boyfriend, maybe. But anyway, she had a bunch of babies, and they were just so cute, and she was posting little videos about them. And then the next thing I know, she's doing an unboxing, and she was sitting on the floor, and behind her was the couch, and the kittens were just all over. It was really super cute. So that's my introduction to Kim, and she does a lot of very nice unboxing. She gets a lot of nice boxes, and she's enjoying makeup and skincare, and she's just a sweetheart of a person, y'all. So please go see her. I'll have her in the description. To win the giveaway, from either one of us, you have to be subscribed publicly to both of us. So just so you know that. So isn't this cute with the flowers and all? I'm having a little trouble with the chin. I think it's because I'm having a little trouble with that. If I lift that up a little bit, it might be better. All right, on to my questions. Would you rather, for Halloween and autumn, would you rather have a bonfire or go on a hayride? And I like both of those. I really do. But it's been a little chilly in the evenings here, so I think a bonfire would be fun. Would you rather go to a picnic, go to a pumpkin patch or bake cookies? And I love going to the pumpkin patch. I haven't done it in a few years. But I used to love to bake, y'all. I'm like a gourmet baker. I really am. I'm a gourmet cook. But I really don't necessarily do it so much for myself. So I probably would take the easy way out and go to the pumpkin patch. Would you like to rather go through a corn maze or walk through a cemetery at night? Y'all, cemeteries don't scare me. Not in the least. They just don't. I like cemeteries, and I mean, I like them. You know, what's the reason to go to a cemetery too is to visit a loved one. But I used to go often to see my grandmothers, and yeah, I'm a little weird. Let's just put it. I won't say any more about that. But the cemeteries were very beautiful that they were in. So, but yeah, I liked going to visit them. Okay, would you rather go to scary or to festive celebrations? And I probably would prefer the festive celebration. And like a hayride to me is a festive celebration. I remember, it's been a little while now, going to, the last time I went to a haunted, you know, what do they call those? Like a haunted house where you walk through, you know, with people. I went with some friends with, there were 3 adults and there were 3 children. And 2 of the children were teenagers. And y'all, even the other women that I were with, they were so freaking scared that one fell back and knocked a scenery down. And and the kids were screaming their heads off and holding on to me for dear life. I finally had to say, this guy came up with me like with a chainsaw. And I said, hey, how do we get out of here? These kids are a wreck. And all he did, he didn't speak. He just pointed to me the way out. So they were a wreck. But anyway, I like that kind of thing. It's fun. Number 5 is pumpkin spice or apple spice. I love the scent of both. I love anything like that. Baking, cooking, you know, is wonderful. But I'm not real big on pumpkin. My mom is the only one that makes, in my opinion, that makes really good pumpkin pie. And I just like a sliver of it. I don't like a lot of it. It's just very spicy, but I love the scent of it. You know, all these people that love pumpkin spice this time of year, I do love walking into Starbucks and smelling it, but I don't want to drink it. And, you know, if I came to your house and that's what you served me, I would drink it and I would be happy with it. It's just not the kind of thing I go for. So I would pick apple spice. Would you rather go trick-or-treating with the little ones or take them to a carnival? And both sound like a lot of fun and very nice. But I do like the trick-or-treating. I think it's a lot of fun. I think the kids get a big kick out of it. Would you rather go to a costume party or stay home with the lights off? I have been known to stay at home with the lights off in my past when I did not have any candy. Came home late from work and like, oh, no candy. And then somebody's ringing the bell. So I got to, you know, look around for change or something. But yeah, I'd rather go to a costume party. I haven't been to one in a long time. Would you rather eat a caramel apple or candy corn? And definitely a caramel apple. I do love candy corn, y'all, but a caramel apple, that's something that I hardly ever get. Well, I don't necessarily, well, I don't know. I love a caramel apple. Let's just put it that way. Would it bother you if a black cat crossed your path? Absolutely not. I would probably pet it and talk to it if it would come over to me and hold it. So, and number 10 is what would be your costume this year if you were invited to a party? Well, you know, I picked these questions out, but I didn't even think about them really. Oh my, what would my costume be this year if you were invited to a party? I hadn't even thought about that. Goodness gracious. You know, I probably would go, it's funny, but I would love to go, you know what I would love to go? I hope it wouldn't be obnoxious or rude, but I would love to go as a queen, not as the Queen of England. I wouldn't want to be rude or disrespectful, but I'd love to wear a crown. Heck, I'd love to go as a cat. And I just don't go anywhere like that. So, but a queen or a cat, how's that? And those are my questions, and I'm going to let this marinate a little bit, and then I'll be back and take it off. Okay, I'm back. Let me show you what's in the giveaway. And again, publicly subscribe to both Kim's A Little of a Lot and me. And this will run for 1 week. I'll announce the winner next Mass Monday. So I'll cut this off at noon on the Sunday before. Be 18 years or older. Address in the U.S., continental United States, please. where I can mail these, and this has nothing to do with YouTube, nothing to do with these products. These are sheet masks, so if you have any allergic reaction, I am not responsible. And when I put them in the mail, I'm no longer responsible for them if they're lost or damaged, okay? So what I have for you is this Papa recipe. This is a very nice mask. I've had this before, got this from Boxycharm, really like it. I have the Azure brand Retinol and Hyaluronic Hydrating Face Mask. I have the Super Beauty mask. This is in the green apple, the Honey Jarrett. Lovely, lovely mask. And then I have this mask. I had 3 of these. So like I said, I sent one to Kim. And then I have one, the third one is for you. This is the Brighten Up Skin Animated Llama Face Mask. So you too can look like this. And then I have some eye masks for you. These are really nice. These have been going around with Boxy, and that's how I got them. Either with Boxy or Fab Fit Fun, they both were selling them. This is the Grace and Stella. Everything is better in pink. I think actually I got them in Fab Fit Fun in maybe my spring or summer box. And then in my Boxy also sells them. So these are very nice. They're gel and they're under eye masks. So that is what you will win. And I'll cut this off next week, Sunday. So that would be October 30th at noon Central Time. So, and then I will pick a winner and I will announce the winner on my Halloween Mask Monday that I'm doing with Kim's Happy Place. So Kim's a little of a lot this week. Kim's Happy Place next week, okay? So y'all, thanks for stopping by and have a fantastic Monday. I hope that you're doing something to take care of yourself, to take care of your skin. Your skin will be happier later in life if you start early. So take care of yourself, y'all, and have a great Monday and a good week. And I'll see you soon. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.